there, friends. Today we're going to draw a beach ball monster.
Here's a quick preview of how our beach ball monsters turned out at the very end, but we're not going to show our friends the inside. They have to wait till the very end of the video to see. We used our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Colored pencils or
Crayons.
Yeah. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's take the top edge and line it up with the bottom edge and then crease it down the middle. I like creasing down the middle and then out to the corners. That makes it a little easier, I feel like. There you go. Line it up and then, yeah, right down the middle and then go. There you go. Now we're going to take the top flap on our piece of paper and line it up with the top edge and then crease that down. Next, flip your paper over and repeat. We're going to take the top flap and line it up and fold it down. This is just a guide fold. So we're going to unfold it and flatten it out. There you go. And then we're going to flip it over. And when we're all done, it should open up like this. We also have a scratch piece of paper that we'll put down underneath our drawing paper. This just protects our table since we're using a marker. Now we're ready to draw our beach ball. And we're going to draw it starting up here. We're going to draw half of it above the fold and half of it below the fold.
I'm scared.
It's okay if it looks different. There you go. And then I went back up here because it's easier to pull the line over the fold going down instead of trying to go over it this way. You did it. That's awesome. Now let's add our face to our beach ball. I'm going to start by drawing a crazy eye. Well, eyes. I'm going to draw two small circles right here. And then I'm going to draw the highlight in the top left or a smaller circle. And then color in the bigger circle, but leave that little one white. It already looks awesome. Let's draw another bigger circle around these pupils. And I'm going to draw it so that it looks like my beach ball is cross-eyed. But you can make these different. You can make them angry or even more happy. They don't have to be cross-eyed. There we go.
Wait.
Now, oh, and yeah, eyelashes, of course. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now let's draw the beach ball details. We're going to draw a little oval shape right here at the top. Then let's draw a line or a curve. We're going to draw a curve. It's going to go through this eye. Then we're going to imagine it going through that eye and then curving down to the bottom. Then we're going to do the same thing, but going through the other eye. This is to draw the little divides or the color patches on the beach ball. Then let's draw another curve that comes way out like this, and I'm going to connect it to the side and stop there, and then we'll do the same thing over here. Then let's draw two more diagonal lines, but really small ones at the very top. There we go. There's our beach ball. Now let's open up our paper and we can flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw on. We have the top half up here and the bottom half down here. Now we get to draw all of the fun folding surprise stuff, or the monster for our beach ball. So let's start over here and we'll connect our beach ball from the top down to the bottom. This is a tall beach ball. Mm-hmm. Then on this side, let's extend it, but we're not going to connect. We'll just draw it to there. And then down here, we'll extend it up. Then let's draw a line that goes, you draw a kind of wiggly line going over to the other side. And not connect, we'll leave space. Then let's do a little wiggly line that connects, not connects, but leaves space over here. Yes, and then let's draw the side of the mouth coming down and connecting those two lines together. Then we can extend the beach ball little pattern or patch, the strip of color that's going through our beach ball on the top and the bottom. This is awesome.
Yeah.
Now we're going to make our beach ball scary by drawing big scary, zigzag, jagged teeth all the way over to the other side. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom teeth. And some of the teeth I'm making really big and some are small, and just make it as scary as you want. Now, let's also draw a popsicle that our beach ball is eating.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then we can draw little pupils inside to make it really scared. And then let's draw the top of the popsicle coming around, and then it comes straight down. And then let's draw a diagonal line that comes down a little, and then a short diagonal line up. Okay, let's draw the top of our little popsicle mouth. I'm gonna draw a short line. Oh yeah, we're gonna fit the mouth in like this. I like that your mouth is more closed. That's awesome. And
He's
my favorite.
really scared.
He's really scared. And then let's draw round teeth for the top and also the bottom. And then the popsicle stick, we're going to draw coming out the bottom, letter U. Yeah. And I'm going to make the mouth more 3D, so I'm going to draw the other side of the mouth and then color in the inside of the mouth. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the tongue for our beach ball. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to curve up, and then I'm going to curve down, but I want it to be 3D, so I'm going to go behind the popsicle stick, come out the other side, and then curve around. Then we can start here. You could draw the tongue split. Should we do that? That might be cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, kind of a gross tongue. So I'm going to draw the line here, and then we'll curve up, around, and then I'm going to connect back into the teeth. If you just want to draw it pointed, you could draw it starting there. But let's draw it split. So I'm going to draw it here and here. Yes, that's awesome. Okay, now let's draw the back, similar to what we did for the popsicle. Let's draw the back of, or the other side of our beach ball's mouth. I'm going to draw a line here. Then we could also let's draw another line right here. And let's also draw that little punching bag in the back of our throat. I'm going to draw a letter U right above the tongue. Then on the left side, we'll curve around and then connect down to the tongue. And then on the right side, we'll curve around and connect to the side of the mouth. Well, maybe there's a little curve right here too. We did it! We finished drawing our beach ball monster. Except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video and match our same coloring. But let's show our friends the inside on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, roar! Now we added even more things to the inside, our monster. We added arms and also a scary tail. But you could add different things. You could add maybe more popsicles, or wings would be really cool too.
Oh yeah.
You can pause the video to match our same coloring.
Or color it different.
Yeah, you could color it any way you want. And I also colored my popsicle yellow, but it looked like Homer, so I changed it to orange.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a beach ball monster.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to add more things and color your drawings. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Roar. I'm gonna eat your beach ball.